In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Trust Wallet extension to your Google Chrome browser. Let's dive in and go through this step by step so you can start managing your cryptocurrency with ease directly from your browser. First, you'll want to head over to the official Trust Wallet website. This is a crucial step because downloading your extension from the official site ensures that you're getting a safe and legitimate version. Once you're on the website, look for the download option. It may be prominently displayed with a download button, which you'll need to click. After clicking download, you'll see options for different browsers. Scroll down until you find the Chrome option and select it. By choosing the Chrome browser, you'll be directed to the Trust Wallet extension page in the Chrome Web Store. At this point, you should see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click on it and a dialog box will pop up, asking for your confirmation to add the extension. You should select Add Extension to proceed. This will begin the installation process, and before you know it, you'll find the Trust Wallet icon nestled among your other Chrome extensions. Once the installation is complete, locate the Trust Wallet icon in your browser's extension area. Clicking on this icon will present you with two options: I already have a wallet or Create a new wallet. Since we're going with the second option, let's click Create Wallet. Clicking Create will lead you to a new page where you'll need to configure your wallet setup options. You'll be given two choices, using Windows Hello or setting up a password. For this demonstration, we're going to choose the password option. It's important that you set a strong password, one that's unique and memorable. This ensures that your wallet is secure, so take a moment to think about a combination that's secure and something you can remember. After inputting your password, you'll be prompted to confirm it. Type it in once more to make sure there are no typos or errors, as this will be a key part of your wallet's security. Once you've confirmed the password, just click Continue. Now that you've gone through this setup, you've successfully created a new Trust Wallet directly in Chrome. You've equipped your browser with a powerful tool for managing and accessing your cryptocurrency. Remember to keep your passwords safe and, whenever you're using your wallet, ensure that you're on a secure connection to protect your assets. Congratulations on setting up your Trust Wallet extension. Feel free to explore its features and enjoy the convenience it brings to managing your digital finances.